have no son.
Calpurnia, your third wife.
Fourth.
Married to you for how long? 12 years. And still Caesar has no son, no child at all.
It is well known that Calpurnia is barren.
A woman who cannot bear children is like a river that is dry.
I see no purpose in discussing the subject further.
A woman, too, must make the barren land fruitful. She must make life grow where there was no life. Just as the Mother Nile feeds and replenishes the earth. I am the Nile. I will bear many sons. Isis has told me. My breasts are filled with love and life. My hips are rounded and well apart. Such women, they say, have sons.